Hi everyone, welcome back to CraftnCanvas. I'm super excited you're here because in today's video we are going to make something really fun and interactive, a Spin Tangle Invitation Card. Before we dive in, here's what you will need: cardboard paper, scissors, blade, rounder, scoring tool, ruler, pencil, eraser, double-sided tape, and the best part are free templates available on our website. You will find the link in the description box below. Alright, let's get crafting. Once you have printed out and cut out all the templates, grab template 1 and round off all corners using the rounder. No rounder? No problem. Just snip off the edges neatly with the scissors. Do the same for template 2. Now for template 3, only round the corners shown on the template. Then fold the square portions where the scoring line is marked. Repeat the same steps for template 4. Template 5 and 6. Yes, we are rounding all their corners too. Why all this rounding? Because smooth corners help the card spin effortlessly, and trust me, it makes a big difference. Time to assemble. Now comes the fun part, putting it all together. Take template 2 and 4 and align them at the cut lines. Do the same with template 1 and 3. Now gently open the slits and slide template 2 and 4 into template 1 and 3 like a puzzle piece. Once all 4 are in place, it should look like one seamless card. Now we'll secure all together. Stick the top of template 1 and template 2 together using double-sided tape. Flip the card over and apply double-sided tape to the square flaps. Stick those flaps down onto template 5, your card base. Make sure it's aligned properly. Almost there. Final step. Take template 6, apply tape to the back and slide it into the position behind template 5. Line it up neatly and press to secure. Ta-da! Your Spin Tangle Invitation Card is ready to go. Let's give it a test spin. Ooh, look at that. It spins so smoothly. Honestly, I could play with it all day. If you love this DIY, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun crafts every single week. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting.